Good afternoon, ladies. This is 21st Century After School. Let me know when you're ready. Alright, this is 21st Century After School program, and we're writing arguments to support clients with clear evidence and relevant evidence. I know you all just took the state test today. Kudos to that. And we are going to be using graphic organizers. To use graphic organizers, you have to understand what they are, which means that they are not just organizers in terms of binders. They're ways of putting your thoughts on paper. Either they're a KWL chart or they're the Venn diagrams or something like that. But at this point, we already have in your possession a what, why, and a how chart. So at this point, we're going to talk about some writing prompts. Now, the topic sentence always tells what your paragraph is about. Okay? We're going to introduce our paragraphs, and then we're going to state or prove. Those are words that the state uses on the test. Actually, it only means to tell what your paragraph is about. Alright, some great starting words that I have for you guys. Some great starting words that I had for you guys to use on the state test would have been, and these are starting paragraph words. I love these words. I got these from another elementary school teacher a couple years ago, so I had them on my thumb drive. Where is a good one. Until is my favorite. And before. Why do you think you can start a sentence with these three words?
Because they're easy.
Because they're easy. They're very easy to remember. Now, the words I chose on your papers that you're looking at is where, since, as long as, once, after, and unless. Now, when we transition, what does transition mean? Can anybody tell me that? You move to the...
Like when we transition from one class to the other.
And that means, what are we doing?
We're moving.
We're moving to the next class. Very good. So that means in your second paragraph, we're going to transition. And these are some great words I liked. First of all, we always say, first of all. You hear it all the time. First of all, but however, it's not an offensive word. In a paragraph, it could be a good thing because you're saying, first of all, I would like to tell you something. First of all. Then, in the meantime, meanwhile. Those are words that are great transition sentence starters. On your paper that you have first of all, in the first place, in the meantime, meanwhile, next, and several. Those are some great words to use. Now, with the paragraph we're going to be writing today, hopefully we'll have a chance to use some of these words in our paragraphs. Our activity for today is the students will use the graphic organizer, which is the where, why, and how chart that I have given you, to construct a counterclaim. That means you are trying to construct a sentence to persuade our president to get rid of testing. Why should we get rid of state testing? So those are some things that we're going to put on our why, where, and how chart. Okay, at this point we're going to take a break and go to the bathroom.